I can care for them when they're sick or protect them from harmful germs. I chose new safeguard with complete 10 germ protection, unlike another antivirus soap that protects against 10 types of harmful germs.
Jump
In 15 minutes?
Where is he?
Pag may tibay katawan, tibay resistensya, mas makakapag-handle ng mahusay. Bear Brain. Luto na ba yung baka? Pinapasol ko pa. Wala ka bang balak mag-asawa?
Okay, though. Okay, finally.
Wala ka na iisipin. Rekta ka sa kanin. Mami, ito po pala. Si Mom, ate, wala kita.
Log.
Usap na sagaan ba? Nesty, usap na sagaan na ngayon gusto.
Ouch.
Sesame seeds sarap. Super kaibigan, ang exclusive 200-pound releases. I only choose with a billion prebiotic and for respiratory protection. Neither think so, you're the flow.
Ano topic you have? Baby, iti wawawal. Not the green beans. Nice, so delicious. Enjoy. I'm also a YouTuber, like almost. Blah 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 blah. Ano? Yeah.
Opo. Hindi po, dinidilisan ko dito po sa may C5. Ay, may C5 malapit. Malayo pa po kayo kung nasa RP pa lang po.
Bye bye bye. Bye.
Dito po sa may Jollibee po sa may Sauyo. Kasi malapit na po yun sa C5.
I'm love.
Nasaan po kayo ngayon?
The way I do this, but like it seems pretty easy.
RP? Malayo pa po eh.
No, Mom. Yeah. What's going on? Asan na the eagle?
Tapos doon pa lang po papunta C5.
Oh.
May magdaanan po kayo.
Right down.
Binahan na power pill po pa.
Last time it was really good. And now it's not. Oh,
Sige, magulat na lang siya sa may gasolina.
say goodbye, guys.